Once upon a time, a tiny little cat was walking home with a basket full of fruits, until, oops, she tripped on a stone, and all her fruit scattered on the road. Soft sound of fruits falling, cat's sighs. Just then a tall and kind rabbit came hopping by. He saw the little cat sitting sadly and rushed to help. Rabbit helped the cat stand up, dusted her dress, and even gave her some of his own fruits. The little cat smiled for the first time that day. Light sparkles sound when Rabbit offers fruit. And so the rabbit and the cat walked side by side, chatting and laughing like they had been friends forever. Later, at the cat's cozy little home, they shared a fruit salad and a lot of happy giggles that day. A simple act of kindness turned into a beautiful friendship. Once upon a time, a tiny little cat was walking home with a basket full of